Good evening and welcome to 22 News at 10. I'm Ciara Speller.
I'm Don Shipman. Federal law enforcement are investigating 2 downtown Springfield businesses, and tonight we're hearing from people who live and work in that area. 22
News reporter Haley Crumblehome is live in Springfield. And Haley, you dug into tons of public records tonight.
There were multiple law enforcement agencies investigating here in downtown Springfield today at Mardi Gras, including the IRS, who was also investigating over at Adolfo's on Worthington Street. Investigations in Springfield's entertainment district aren't unheard of.
Just awful dangerous when you come out of there after hours, after everything closes down. You go there for a good time and you come out and you take your life in your hands.
But these were investigations of a different kind. Far from closing time, Adolfo's restaurant and the Mardi Gras strip club weren't even open when federal agents moved in. Our 22 News crew saw FBI and state police outside of Mardi Gras. One officer was carrying a crowbar, another bolt cutters. The FBI's Boston office said those agencies and the IRS were at the club as part of an ongoing federal investigation. The office also said that all 3 of those agencies were also investigating at 582 Pinewood Drive in Longmeadow. State records indicate Mardi Gras is owned by BSC Realty, with James Santaniello of Longmeadow listed as the president. The state also lists him as a resident of the Pinewood Drive address. And just down the street, the IRS was conducting another investigation. IRS spokeswoman Amy Hosny confirmed for 22 News that agents from the IRS Criminal Investigation Unit conducted investigations at Adolfo's restaurant on Worthington Street and at a private residence in Suffield, Connecticut. Adolfo's is owned by Venture Properties, LLC, and the state lists Victor C. Bruno as the resident agent and manager of that company. 22 News went to the Massachusetts Department of Revenue website, which lists a Victor Bruno in Springfield as owing more than $29,000 in back taxes. But the IRS would not confirm what the nature of their investigation was.
Pay your taxes. Everybody else does.
Calls were made to both Adolfo's and Mardi Gras, but with no answer. Live in Springfield, Haley Crumblehome, 22 News.